You are watching tomorrow's classrooms today. Lesson 10, Mastering Subject-Verb Agreement, a complete guide for clear communication. Subject-verb agreement is a fundamental rule of English grammar that ensures the subject of a sentence and its verb are aligned regarding number, singular or plural. This comprehensive guide will help students and teachers understand and apply the rules of subject-verb agreement effectively. Here are the basic principles and common rules. Basic principles. Singular subjects require singular verbs. For example, the dog barks. Here, the dog is a singular subject and accordingly takes the singular verb barks. Plural subjects require plural verbs. For example, the dogs bark. In this case, the dogs is a plural subject, thus it requires the plural verb bark. Common rules for subject-verb agreement. Rule 1. Compound subjects. Compound subjects, which are composed of two or more nouns or pronouns, typically require plural verbs. However, there are important variations. When compound subjects are connected by and, a plural verb is used. For example, the cat and the dog are friendly. When compound subjects are connected by or nor, the verb should agree with the part of the subject closer to the verb. For example, either John or Mary is available to speak right now. John or Mary functions as a singular subject. Either the employees or the manager is on duty. The verb agrees with the manager, which is closer and singular. Neither the manager nor his employees are on duty. The verb agrees with the employees, which is closer and plural. Rule 2. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns can be singular or plural depending on their reference, necessitating corresponding verb agreement. Singular indefinite pronouns: anyone, anything, each, either, everybody, everyone, everything, neither, nobody, no one, nothing, one, somebody, someone, something require singular verbs. For example, everyone loves the weekend. Plural indefinite pronouns require plural verbs. For example, both of the students were selected. Indefinite pronouns that can be singular or plural, such as all, any, none, some, and most, depending on whether they refer to countable or uncountable nouns. Example, some of the water is dirty versus some of the bottles are dirty. Rule 3. Collective nouns. Collective nouns may take singular or plural verbs depending on whether the group acts as one unit or as individuals. For example, the jury delivers its verdict. The jury, acting as a single unit, takes a singular verb. The members of the jury are sitting in their seats. Here, the focus is on individual actions within the group, thus a plural verb. Special cases. Words between the subject and verb do not affect agreement. For example, the fear of thieves has made me flee the city. Secondly, titles of single entities such as books or movies use a singular verb. For example, The Lord of the Rings is a popular book. Phrases like a lot of or a number of follow the number of the noun they describe. For example, a number of students are absent today. Sums of money, periods of time, and distances considered as a single unit take singular verbs. For example, $5 is not a lot of money. When using each, either, and neither, followed by of, and a plural noun or pronoun, the verb remains singular. For example, each of the players as a coach. There and here are not subjects. The true subject follows the verb. For example, there were 5 books on the shelf. Some nouns appear plural but take singular verbs, though exceptions exist. For example, this pair of trousers is ugly, but your eyeglasses are dirty. By understanding and applying these rules, both students and teachers can ensure clarify and precision in English communication. Subscribe to our channel for more grammar lessons and share this video with friends who could benefit from sharpening their grammar skills. Like this video if you find it helpful, and don't hesitate to comment below with any questions or topics you would like us to cover next. Let's master English grammar together.